Hey, it's William. In this video, I'm going to solve for you a very important and very annoying problem that bugged me for a pretty long time. Is that when you are using grid pencil, right? So, for example, if you already draw amazing like drawing, but you want to fine tune a little bit, I often just go to the edit mode and try to say select a specific layer and select everything by using all. Okay, I'm going to get the screencast key out so you guys can see it more clearly. So just go to edit mode, choose a specific layer, and then press A to select everything. Okay, but sometimes, so for example, if I select this layer A, I select everything, but sometimes I can't fine tuning select like a part of the the grid pencil and then grab that, like a G grab it out, just to grab the whole object. So how to solve that? Pretty simple. You just need to select this select only points. So sometimes they will I don't know why they will just automatically change to select all stroke point. This will move the whole stroke altogether. Okay, but if you want to fine tune it, you just you switch it to here, then you can select specific point and then grab it. And don't close this video because I'm going to show you something even more interesting. This is a like the problem that I encountered while I want to do like a more fine tuning. Okay, so for example, if you look here, this is a really perfect example right now. Let me just like grab it here. So for example, there is a saw, right? What if I want to extrude this part? Okay, so right now you just got one point here and the other point here, and the line, the stroke is just automatically connect these two dots, which is fine if you don't change it. But what if you want to change it? You got no handle, like a no dot to select in between. So how do you do that? Pretty simple. You need to do the like a subdivide. So you can do like the whole total subdivide. Okay, you can just edit mode, and you can just select everything and you can subdivide, but that will subdivide the whole grid pencil object. Okay, you can select the stroke and using like the subdivision modifier, something like that. Of course you can do that. Let me just let me just do that. Where is the subdivision modifier? Yeah, subdivide. Okay, so as you guys can see, we'll just automatically add new dot. Right now, remember, I just select all. Okay, select all, and this point I selected, this point I select, and here some of points seem to be grayed out. That's because you did not select it. That's why where you add a subdivision modifier. Okay, so do add that, but sometimes you don't need this amount of point. You just need like a fine-tuning small part. You don't need this. Okay, so let me just get rid of this. So the subdivide modifier will just get a whole grid pencil object subdivided. Every 2 points will have a point in between. You don't want that. You just want this two dot to be subdivided. Pretty simple. You just need to hold in shift, select these two dots. While selecting two dots, we get some of the helper option that are just above. Okay, so if you look at here, you just select this. Okay, and we got some stroke option that hidden here. So if you click it, we can subdivide, we can simplify, we can trim, we can outline, we can do a lot of things. You can try all this thing out. Things is about subdivision and fine tuning. I'm going to just select subdivide. Look at here, I got another dot here, so I can select this dot. Okay, so I can fine tune it. I can just grab this. I can grab a single dot out, and of course I can use like the proportional editing. Okay, I select this, I grab this, and I can select the the area that I want to change, something like that. Okay, I think I just got a really big, like a smooth grab. Okay, you can do that as well. Box select and grab it, and of course you can fine tune it by select multiple things, or maybe just these two without it, and then I can grab and make it like a I don't know, maybe just to make maybe let's just get 3 stroke and subdivide. Okay, so I can get like these two out without changing anywhere else. Okay, and then got this, maybe something like this, or you get like a sword like structure But right now I think it's a sunlight or lawning, something like that. So it will not be something like this. It's just some experiments and some like answering videos. So if you already finish a specific grid pencil drawing and I want just click it and go to the edit mode, you look at the dot. Sometimes you will automatically like omit some of the dots because you are going at like a perfect straight line, so it won't just need a lot of dot. Okay, I hope this video is helpful, and if you think my video is helpful, do please give me a thumb up, give me a like, and if you want to watch more on my art journey, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to support me directly, please join the Patreon. Alright, see you, bye.